Welcome to the Mortgage Rate Weekly Market Update for the week of November 27th, 2017. Hello, I'm John Thomas with Prime Residential Mortgage. Here to give you an update. I hope you had a great Thanksgiving feast. Maybe did some Black Friday shopping. Black Friday was actually good for mortgage rates. Take a look at the bond chart on the screen. You can see mortgage bonds hit the low on November 13th. Were able to rally off a floor of support there and moved higher since. They did stall at the 200-day moving average, but on Thursday they were able to rally and break through that on reports from the Feds that inflation is not transitory anymore. They've been saying it was transitory, and that means it would move up. Now it's persistently low. They're not sure when it will move up. So that was bond-friendly news because low inflation keeps mortgage rates low. So that's why the bond rallied, broke above the 25-day moving average, and on Friday closed right at the 200-day moving average. So we're looking to see if that mortgage bond can make a run at the 50-day moving average. If it can break above that, we could see some nice moves higher where we were previously, and that would move interest rates lower. So with that in mind, we're going to recommend floating your mortgage rate to start the week. See if we can rally higher in the bonds, move rates lower. Now, if there was some kind of change and bonds break below the 200-day moving average and then fall below the 25-day moving average, that would be a bad sign, and we'd quickly switch to locking. But right now, go ahead and float it, see if you can get a slightly better interest rate. Now, if we dig into the economic news, besides the statements from the Fed about inflation, the big news last week was retail sales for October 2017 rose 0.2%. That was above expectations of 0.1%. Now, it's a big drop from September's 1.9% increase, but remember, September's big number included a bunch of purchases because of Hurricane Irma and Harvey. So that spiked up retail sales there. Year-over-year retail sales are up 4.9%. Now, the National Retail Federation is expecting better numbers than last year heading into the holiday shopping season. So they're predicting more sales, which will be good news for the economy. Then we saw weekly initial jobless claims come out on Thursday. Claims dropped 13,000 claims to 239,000 claims for the week. That's a great number, well below the 300,000 mark, which signals good news for labor force. And this number, the 239, is the sample week to be used in the November jobs reports, which will come out this Friday. So that is pointing to a strong jobs report Friday, so we'll keep you updated on that. Now, in housing news, two big reports. First one, existing home sales for October 2017 rose 2% from September to 5.48 million units. This was the highest existing home sale number since June of 2017. Now, a severe lack of inventory still persists, and that's pushing home prices up, and we will continue to see home prices pushed up through the end of the year into next year as this lack of inventory does not see any relief in sight. Then we saw housing starts for October 2017 hit a one-year high at 1.29 million units. Now remember, housing starts is new home construction starting building on a home. So that's the number of homes they started building on. So that's a good number there. We're up 13.7% from September, which was abnormally low because of disruptions to new home building in Texas and Florida from hurricanes. Now, building permits, which is a sign of future constructions, for October 2017, we're up 5.9% from September to 1.297 million units. Both reports bode well for new home construction as we end the year and go into 2018 strong. So we should see new home construction doing very well. Now, in the local news, we got the next first-time homebuyer seminar is Saturday, December 9th in Dover, Delaware, at the Hilton Garden Inn. And that's there in Dover, and that's from 10 a.m. to noon. And then the next one in Newark is Saturday, December 16th from 10 a.m. to noon at the Hilton, the Christiana Hilton Hotel in Newark, Delaware. You can register for either one of those events by just calling the office at 302-703-0727 or online, www.delawarehomebuyerseminar.com. Look forward to seeing you guys next week.